Here we're given that pump P can fill this tank in 30 minutes, which means that its rate is 1/30th of a tank per minute. So it's filling 1/30th fraction of a tank every minute. Question is, how long will it take the tank if both pumps were working simultaneously? So we have to assess which of these statements are sufficient for that. A gives us the capacity, but there's no information about the rate of the other pump Q, so that alone won't work. So A is out. B says pump Q can fill 1/20th of a tank in a minute. So its rate is 1/20th of a tank per minute. And so from these two, now I know the rate of Q and P. I can figure out their combined rate in a fraction of a tank that they fill per minute. And if you add this to, this would be 50, 30, 20, and then that would be 6. So the combined rate is 1/12th of a tank per minute, which means they'll fill the whole tank in 12 minutes. So B is sufficient. And then C, they tell us that pump P works alone for 5 minutes at its constant rate. So P is filling the tank at the rate of 1/30th of a tank per minute. So in 5 minutes, it would have filled 1/6 of a tank. So now we have 5/6 of a tank remaining, which they tell us that the other two pumps, the P and Q, they fill it up in 15 minutes, which means the combined rate would be they fill 5/6 of a tank in 15 minutes. That means their combined rate is 5/6 of a tank divided by 15 minutes. And I'll simplify this fraction. Again, this is rate as a fraction of a tank that's being filled every minute. And that becomes 3. Actually, one mistake I made is that they do this in a total of 15 minutes. So that first part took 5 minutes. That means for that remaining 5/6 of a tank, instead of 15, this will be 10 minutes. Because 15 minutes is given to us as total, not the additional 15 minutes that they both work together. So the combined rate from this would be 5/6 of a tank over 10 minutes, which is 1/12th of a tank per minute. So this is the combined rate. And the question originally was how much time it would take for them to fill the tank if both P and Q are working. So in this case, again, it will be 12 minutes. So C also works. The answer is B and C.